Hello everybody and welcome back to Pokemon, the nameless version, ROM hack of Pokemon series on GBA. So, we will continue finding Ronya's father. I comment there's a cruel woman, trust me, you won't like her. Thank you for the intel. Be careful, little girl. Those people are criminals. Do not make sure. I do make sure that your Pokemon are strong enough to defend you. It will. I hope the helmet can help you to tame the scary monster. Oh, what are you talking about? Okay, let's go here. Pokemon Nest. Nice. Okay. Hoot. Oh, what the hell? Hoot. Okay, return. Home. Okay. Okay, let me deal with you, little brat. I don't know what I feel right now because most the Pokemon games I played was only, the official release, not the fan-made ones. Good ones, I think. Yeah. But this is my first game that I experienced. Like, what is this? What are the Pokemon community things of the game? Like, what they really adored in this series? Nothing but good feedback and great gameplay still. But new regions, oh, I love it. Dark Worker Grand would like to battle. Muna. Lopunny. Alright. Korotichu. Eh? Ow, stupid me. Oh, no. Oh, man, that would kill me. Almost died here. Of course, it's about Mimikyu. Yes, I think Topolio for every Kidibri. Oh no, Mimikyu. Dear Lord. Oh, no. Nice. This win. Covet. Ow. Okay, Pokemon. Every Kidibri. Oh, no, almost. Why? Yeah. He is dead. Stupid. I'm a Lilo. Okay. Thank you. Wow. Scratch. Oh Lord. No, no. I should use low panic. Dead. Okay. Okay, nope. Okay. To feel this mimic needs to ow nice. Okay, one more. There you go. You are dead immediately. Nice. Ugh. Okay, I think I need the stone breaking on that one. For now. Oh, what is this place? What? It's a mineral deposit. Found white clay. When you put the white clay in the items pocket, okay? Oh, no. Save. Yes. Wait, where's the town here in this game? Oh no. We will run on the full kill. Okay. I need that full kill. Later we will fight that. Okay. What is this? There's some berries on the tree. It's impossible for me to reach them. Right then. So we need to backtrack, I think. Pokemon dead. Next. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, not too. Ow. I need the right Pokemon for now, I think. Nothing but for now. Almost. Oh, knew it. Hi, Kronia. I'm so happy to see that you are safe. Your Pokemon seem to be injured. Let me heal them. Oh, that was Gabby. Thanks, Mr. Gavin. What should we do next? Oh, well, we found the secret base of those dark workers. We're going to arrest their commander. Really? Can I go with you? I want to help you. Sorry, little girl. You'd better stay here. My father is waiting for you in this cave. I'll stay with you to make sure you and other survivors are safe. But I really want to help you, sir. Lopunny is strong enough to protect me. Listen kid, you should never underestimate your enemies. I can't let you take the risk of being captured by those dark workers. But sir, okay, little girl, if you still don't trust me, then I'll have to teach you how to be a trainer by myself. Are you ready? Lucario. Okay. Oh Lord. This for sure is scripted. I knew it. Okay, mind bearer. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Abracadabra. Okay. Mind reader. Okay, Lucario will use foresight. SPDF, light defense. Okay. Please be effective on the alarm shot. Oh yes, super effective. Nice. Foresight. Okay. damage. Okay, 13. Okay, 15 as well. Nice. What? I hope. Okay. Oh. Oh, Lord. Did I won? Okay, we done. Core. What's the moveset? Physical also steals the possible item. Jeffrey Lowe's. Okay. Take this one. Girl. Oof. Okay, nice. We could have it. I want to remove that thing, but I hope you've learned your lesson from you. No. See? You're still not strong. You're still not strong enough. I could have ordered my Pokemon to use some attack moves to beat you, but I didn't. Just as I said, you should never underestimate your enemies. Okay, Fronya, I guess I need to heal your Pokemon again. Thank you for that. Now I have to go just here, okay? Wait, Mr. Gavin, I know dark workers are dangerous, but I want to stay with you. Please, no, you don't know how dangerous they really are. Remember, dark workers are evil. They can even betray their families to do their job. I was fooled by them before, so I know they are monsters. You were fooled? But how? It was my wife. She was a ninja who worked for dark workers. I thought she changed when she decided to marry me, but she betrayed me after our daughter was born. She took my daughter away from me and disappeared. Her boss asked her to do, I asked her to do so. So she did it with a hesitation. That was when I realized dark workers are far more dangerous than I thought. They are willing to hurt everyone to help their boss. Sorry, Mr. Gavin. You don't have to apologize, Fronya. I did nothing wrong. Don't worry about me. I'll be back soon. See you later. And now, you are next. Sometimes all survivors must die. Okay. Okay. Psychic Pokemon. Yeah. Psychic Ghost. Dark, I think. Ow! Oh my god. Okay, nice. Curse. Pogas de Katitsune. HP data post. What happened? Did I lose? Okay, Konya got 5 That was stupid. What the hell? Self-sacrifice to just curse me. Oh man. How dumb the Pokemon is. To the oh no. Okay. Hello Kronya, Gavin asked me to protect you. Please stay with me. I'll try my best to make sure those dark workers won't hurt you. And Mr. Galen, someone is behind you. What the Mr. Galen. No, what did you do? Who are you? It's your turn, little girl. Oh dear. How many? Okay, stupid. Oh, fuck. The script? Every kid breed. Okay, scripted. Oh, ito. Oh dear. Okay, this is scripted. Marshall will come back. It's useless, you have to die. Kronya is a usable Pokemon. They are lost against Dark Worker. Kronya paid 120 as the first one. Kronya went out. It's time to end this. No, stay away from me. Do you really think that was enough to end me? What? You? Nice try. I have to admit, you almost got me, but luckily that injury on your hand made you disappearate when you were aiming at my heart. Now that you got injured once more, I believe you won't be able to even use your Pokemon in battle properly. Now stay away from Kronya. I won't let you hurt her. So it was all because of this injury by him that he managed to hurt me. Even after being ambushed. What did I do? Why do I have to? No, I can't. I can't think about that again. Okay. after all. I can't. What do you mean? Who was the man who hurt you? What happened to him? Sorry, I'm so sorry, God. Wait, I'm so sorry. I had to, or they will. I'm so sorry. What just happened? They just vanished? Kronya, are you okay? Did they hurt you? I'm fine, but that was what I wanted. That was I wanted to ask. Mr. Galen, you were stabbed and you are still bleeding. It's alright. This injury is nothing compared to what I had experienced before. Look, I've treated the wound and it had stopped bleeding. There's no need to worry. But what about your Pokemon? As a trainer, you must make sure they are always healthy and ready to fight. So let me heal them. Thank you very much. Now you should be ready to fight again, Kronya. Thanks so much, Mr. Galen. You're welcome. Now we must hurry because I have a bad feeling now. Do you remember that assassin said just now? They got hurt because of someone, and according to what they said, this someone was murdered. I only hope it's not. No, I can't think that way. We still have to move forward. This place is still not safe after all. Follow me, Kronya. Give me that. Wait, metal dust. Okay, one. Oh no. Okay, for now. Ow. Bam. Zubat. I knew it. Oh man, I will end this episode after fighting this. There's already a save file. Okay. Okay. Thank you for this end of the episode, everybody, and thank you for watching. Deus Wolf, and bye bye, everybody. God bless.
Those heroes of antiquity ne'er saw a cannonball, or knew the force of powder to slay their foes withal. But our